In this module, we're going to work on the control center side. This is where we would set up the store functions, your taxes, your items, and price book locations for each item. To begin, we're going to start off with Control Center like you normally would within POS. We're going to navigate to the point of sale section. And starting off, we're going to go into Maintenance, then Locations. Under here, you're going to have all your store locations just like you have currently set up for the POS. What you want to do is make sure each store has your store hours set correctly. I'm going to pick one store just to demonstrate. And as we go in, we want to see their schedule and make sure the store opens and closes are set to what you want to see. This is what will be displayed over at the website for the consumers to see. So you want to make sure that this is accurate. Now, if you do have a store set up that's not a store location, something that the customers won't actually go into, maybe if you have a store that's really a warehouse or a corporate location that's like a corporate office but not an actual store, under the details section, you want to change hide from customer and turn that on. That will have it be an active store or a location for you, but it will not be displayed for the consumers to show. There's also another setting that we'll get into that'll override this on the FTx Commerce admin site to make this store location active or not. After you make these setting changes, always remember to pick one of your green save buttons, either save and close to close this window, save and new, save this window and start with a blank screen, or save it and stay on this window. The next step is your taxes. You want to make sure all your store tax rates are set correctly. They should be, because these are what you're using at the store locations anyway, but you always want to double check that your tax rate and POS flags are set correctly. Next, you want to look at your tenders. Your tenders you want to make sure are set up that you have your credit cards and debit cards are the way you'd like them, in which reconciliation buckets. That's what's going to be utilized on the website. And that wraps up our training video of the Control Center module of FTx Commerce.